Okay, guys, we are up to section 2.5, how to use trigonometry to find area of triangles. And that means any triangle. So here's the pre-lesson for that concept. So this is something you guys should be well accustomed to because you've taken a lot of geometry. I've picked a pretty simple triangle to figure out the area of. Remember, the area of a right triangle is 1/2 base times height. The base and the height must be the two that form the 90-degree angle. So we know that this hypotenuse is neither the base or the height. So I picked a real simple one from good old geometry that just happens to be a family. So it's a 3, 4, 5 family. And so I say, okay, 1/2, my base, which is 3, my height, which is 4. And I don't distribute the 1/2 because I don't have a plus sign in there. So 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 1/2 is 6 square units. You want to get specific? So now we got all these fancy formulas here. And some of you are wondering, I don't want these fancy formulas. I like this one. Problem is, do you really think that every triangle in the world is a 90-degree triangle? No. And that's the beauty of trig. These mathematicians, bless their hearts, they calculated some amazing formulas that'll just do it for us. Again, I've said this a few times, but finding the area of property, it just has some wonky dimensions to it. This stuff is gold. And we have this right here. Trig formulas for any triangle, including non-right triangles, which is right here. Yes, these formulas will work for this, but as you can see, you need to have an angle before you could use these formulas. Could we find an angle here? Absolutely. We could go, all right, there it is. I'll pick this one, and I'll say tangent of that angle is opposite over adjacent, and then go tangent of theta is 1.33 repeating, and then I go second tangent, and then I find the angle, and then I can use one of these formulas. But why would you do that with this problem when you have this formula? You wouldn't. You could. I call that prison math, because if you're in prison, you got all the time in the world, man, use the toughest formula you can find just to burn some time. Anyways, maybe that's not a good joke. We got example 1 here. We don't have a right triangle. We do have angle A. And so we go, hey, we're going to use this guy because this involves angle A. So I'm just going to go with it and say, hey, I hope I have all the necessary parts. So it's 1/2 times side B times side C, which is 21, times sine of angle A, which is 52 degrees. And this is very straightforward. It's just what I call plug and chug. So these formulas have done all the work for you. You just need to calculate this, and you'll have the area of that non-right triangle. That's it for the pre-lesson.